Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, we are going to be making puff puff. Yes, so party puff puff is what we are going to be making. So over here is my flour, sugar, yeast, onions, and grated scotch bonnet pepper. I also have some little bit of cinnamon, nutmeg here, and over here is my warm water. So we are going to go ahead and just prove our yeast first of all. So I'm going to be adding my yeast. So over here is my bowl. I'm going to be adding my yeast. Then take part of my sugar. This is my sugar. I'm not going to be taking everything. I'm just going to be putting some part in there. Then add warm water. I'm just going to mix. Make sure you take your time, to combine it together. This process is very, very important. So I'm going to make sure I combine it until there is no lumps inside. After a few seconds, so this is how it looks. No more lumps. So I'm going to cover it and set it aside for some minutes. So guys, we are going ahead to mix our puff puff. First of all, make sure you wash your hands very well, because we are going to be using our bare hands, to mix it. So over there is my nutmeg. I'm going to be adding the remaining sugar to it while we go ahead and mix. I'm going to be adding the water little by little. I'm also going to be adding our proof yeast, which is this. As you guys can see, it's already forming. So all the ingredients I use, I'm going to be putting it on my screen. Please feel free to check it out on my screen. So you can also add your flavor. It all depends on you. You can also add half teaspoon of your flavor to it. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of my vanilla flavor in there. Make sure your butter is not that watery, because when it's watery, it's going to soak up the oil. Yeah. So I'm going to be adding our scotch bonnet pepper, but now I'm going to switch to, my turning stick. It all depends on you. If you know you can do it with your bare hands, go ahead, but I'm going to be switching it to my turning stick for this process to continue with it. So at this junction, I'm going to go ahead and cover our batter for 45 minutes. Yes, so I'm going to be using my foil paper, just to cover it. For the next 45 minutes. So we are going ahead to fry. So guys, our oil is hot. So we are going ahead to fry our puff. So I'm just going to be dropping in there little by little.